Hi, this is Jim McInerney with your weekly update on the market here in coastal San Diego and specifically La Jolla, California. Just want to go over some of the major changes that we're seeing here in the market. The one that's most interesting to me is the average days on market. You know, how much this has increased from 108 to 134. We're specifically talking about the week ending in October, blah, blah, blah. This is also a very interesting stat. They're relisted. You know, we were down at 16.85% and we're already up to 23%. I imagine that this will continue to rise as we move forward into November with a new rate hike expected on November 2nd and then an additional rate hike on December. What else were we going to talk about?
Well, I think when you say the relisted,
Yeah.
you need to put it in like
Okay. So what's interesting about this stat right here, relisted, that means a property didn't sell and was relisted and put back on the market. You know, and as of July 15, only 16.5% were being relisted, meaning they didn't sell, and we're already up to 23%. So this also correlates with houses taking longer to sell, which is our average days on market you see, where we've gone from 106 up to 134. And that may not sound like a big difference, but you got to remember 7 months ago during the peak, everything was selling very, very quickly. Mostly, well, I should think about what I'm going to say. Within a couple weeks. So going from a couple weeks to a couple months is a big difference. And so we're seeing the market continue to adjust on all fronts throughout San Diego County. Yeah, and so another interesting stat right here is price decrease. This means from where a property came on the market, say at $1 million, the sellers ended up lowering their price while they were on the market. And so back in mid-July, only 34% of homes had a price decrease, and now we're all the way up to 51%. That's a fairly healthy change for properties losing value from where they originally came on the market. If you're interested in properties that aren't on the MLS, please call me. We always have a list of private opportunities. They can be purchased in La Jolla and surrounding coastal markets in San Diego. And if you're ever interested or curious as to what your home is really worth, I'm happy to provide a no obligation, confidential home evaluation for you. Jim McInerney, Native Knowledge, blah, blah, blah. It was 3 minutes.